In this episode, we're exploring the Island in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This place is where unique shopping, tasty restaurants, and a carnival collide to create an explosive outing that's perfect for all ages. After a long day of driving through the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, we needed to slow down a bit. So come along with us as we take a relaxing walk as we explore the island in Pigeon Forge.
The highway just past the sign, saw that Great Smoky wheel lit up in the night. Music was playing, the fountains were dancing, and there she was standing. My heart never had a chance. She said, "You ever had moonshine from a jar?" I laughed and said, "Only when I play guitar." We strolled past the shops with our hands intertwined. A love like Dollywood, one of a kind. Down at the Island in Pigeon Forge, where the lights shine bright and the laughs run free, where the fire burns warm and the memories forge, and a slow ride on the wheel feels like eternity. From Margaritaville to the old mill's charm, I found heaven holding you in my arms. Down at the island where my heart found home. There's a sweet little magic in that smoky breeze, in the sound of the fiddle and the swaying trees. She spun like a leaf when the street band played, and I knew I was done from that very first day. Now every fall we come back around to that little old spot in this mountain town. We sit by the fountain, share a funnel cake, laugh about our kids and the love we made. Down at the Island in Pigeon Forge, where the lights shine bright and the laughs run free, where the fire burns warm and the memories forge, and a slow ride on the wheel feels like eternity. From moonshine tasting to the line dance floor, I keep coming back, wanting more and more, to the island where my heart found home. So if you're looking for love or a little peace of mind, you just might find it under those neon signs. Down at the island where the good times roll and the stars align.
Neon lights were winking all around. Hand in hand, you spun me round and round on that carousel that played our favorite sound. With cotton candy fingers and sugar-coated grins, I felt my heart race as the night begins. On the Ferris wheel, we're floating in the sky, up so high, your laughter makes me fly. Tennessee moonlight, every spin with you just feels so right. Midnight spins at the island, darling, hold on tight.
Fireball coasters twisting through the air, adrenaline rush, I catch your fiery stare. We're screaming out loud, thrown without a care, riding love's wild ride, there's magic everywhere. From bumper cars that jolt like brand new sparks, to the hip swings that race into the dark.
On the Ferris wheel, we're floating in the sky, up so high, your laughter makes me fly. Carnival dreams and Tennessee moonlight, every spin with you just feels so Pigeon Forge. By these lights we're wild and free. On the Ferris wheel we're floating in the sky, up so high your laughter makes me fly. Carnival dreams and Tennessee moonlight, every spin with you just feels so right. Midnight spins at the island, darling, hold on tight.
When the ride's all slow and the night grows old, we'll still have tales of thrills we've been told.
But give me one more go, meet those colored lights. Midnight spins at the island, everything's alright.
Yeah, I could hang out at Moonshine for a little bit, get some drinks on.
When the ride's all slow and the night grows old, we'll still have tales of thrills that we've been told. But give me one more go, neath those colored lights. Midnight spins at the island, everything's all
Yeah, I got
Pack your bag, grab your keys, let's chase the sun and ride the breeze. From small town roads to mountain highs, we'll find adventure in the skies. With every mile we find our way, new stories born with each new day. From ghost town tales to ocean views, we've got a world of things to do. Have fun, let's travel, chase the open road. With every turn, we lighten the load, making memories in the great unknown. With a camera, a smile, and hearts full grown, preserving history, sharing each new find, helping others, leaving kindness behind. Life's too short to sit still and unravel. So grab my hand, have fun, let's travel. Old diners with their neon signs, dusty museums frozen in time. Front porch stories and gospel songs show us where we all belong. We meet a stranger, lend a hand, share a laugh and understand that we're glad just passing through. We're part of something bigger too. Have fun, let's travel, chase the open road. With every turn, we lighten the load, making memories in the great unknown. With a camera, a smile, and hearts full grown, preserving history, sharing each new find, helping others, leaving kindness behind. Life's too short to sit still and unravel. So grab my hand, have fun, let's travel. Every sunrise brings a new scene, every face a hopeful dream. It's not just places we explore, it's who we are and something more. Have fun, let's travel, let your spirit roam. No matter where we go, we're always home. Making memories that time can't steal. Every moment's a chance to feel. Preserving history, writing our own page, helping others, turning every stage into a journey where hearts Have fun, let's travel. Yeah, come along. Have fun, let's travel. Making memories that never unravel.
Oh, nice set there. Woo!
Well, Margaritaville to the old mill's charm, I found hell holding you in my arms, holding you in my heart, found home. So if you're looking for love or a little peace of mind, you just might find it under those neon signs down at the island where the good times roll and the stars align.
Be sure to check out some of our other videos shown here. Until next time, remember, stay safe and have fun, let's travel.